Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Work with clean, dry hair and minimal product so dreads form fast. First, separate hair into 6 to 12 rough zones using fingers or clips. Don't aim for perfection. Then, take 0, 5 to 1 inch sections and apply firm palm rolling at the roots to encourage knots. Squeeze and roll toward the ends. Keep motion fast and consistent. Once done on one zone, move immediately to the next, making sure tension is even so locks mat uniformly as they set. Next, focus on building texture and holding shape. Palm roll each section while alternating short backcombing strokes to encourage matting. Use a pea-sized amount of locking gel or a light salt spray sparingly. This speeds hold without weighing hair down. Work at a steady pace. Aim for 30 to 90 seconds per section so you stay under 5 minutes total. Once sections feel firm, smooth ends by rolling between palms. Make sure to maintain consistent tension, uneven pressure. To finish, give each lock a final palm roll and a light seal with spray or mist. Tuck stray hairs into the nearest dread. Once done, step back and inspect for weak spots. If a section is loose, re-roll firmly or use a small crochet hook to pull in stray fibers. If frizz or unraveling occurs, apply a tiny amount of light oil to reduce flyaways and plan a quick retwist within a week. This last check secures the look and prevents early loosening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.